Hi everyone and welcome to 5 minute session. When working in a Google Sheet, a concern that always remains that how we can import the data from one Google Sheet to another Google Sheet without copy paste. So the one function that always serves this purpose, that is the import range function. So without wasting any time, let's begin this tutorial. Okay, here we have the two sheet. In one sheet I have the data and the other sheet, which is the black sheet. Actually what I'm going to do, I'm basically importing this data into this black sheet but without copy paste. So what I'm going to do first of all, you need a URL of this sheet so that you can get the data. So here is the URL. Now here in this sheet, hit the equal sign, write import range. This function basically has the two parts. One is basically the spreadsheet URL from where you want to have the data, and also the range string. You have to give the range. So I have already copied the URL from that sheet. So double quotes start, paste the URL. Now close the double quotes. Now the comma and then double quotes. I need to first give the sheet name. So one thing that you need to take care when using the import range function, so the sheet from where you want to import the data, if there are multiple sheets over there, so what you have to do, you have to specify the sheet name first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the sheet name, which is the data. Now this sign. Now I have to give the range. So here I'm just giving the whole columns range. So if you want to give the range of your own choice, you can also do that, which is from A till H, which is the A colon H. Now close the double notation and the parenthesis and hit the enter. It gives me the reference error. Why it is that? Because the sheet is not connected with this sheet. So when you have to connect any sheet, first of all you have to give the access to that sheet. That sheet can communicate with this sheet. So you don't need to give the access on all the time from one sheet if you have give the access. So whenever you want to import the data, you can also import the data without this option. This is only the one time option. So you can see that the data has been imported, and this is a very easy method to communicate multiple sheets with a single master sheet. So if you want to basically bring the data or import the data from multiple sheets, so the multiple sheets have the multiple links. So what you can do to distinguish that link, just copy that link which I have pasted earlier in this sheet. I have just copied the link, paste it over any cell. Now the link has been pasted. Now just give the reference of that cell. So I have removed this one, now this one, and hit the enter. So you can see the formula is still working. And this is it for today, and if you have liked this video, please do like, comment and share. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Until then, take care, good care, and we will see you in the next tutorial.